Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Rachel Davison, and today John and I are going to show you how to make delicious pumpkin granola. Do you like pumpkin granola, John? Oh yeah. My kids are begging me to make this over and over and over, especially my school kids. They love having it in their lunch every day. So let's get started here. We're going to start by putting 4 cups of rolled oats into our bowl. So 4 cups of, these are large flake rolled oats. You can use quick oats if you want. Don't use instant oats. But I definitely prefer the texture that large flake oats give you in granola. So that's 4 cups of rolled oats, and then we're going to add half a cup of shredded coconut. I prefer to use unsweetened shredded coconut, but sweetened is fine as well. Okay, and then we're going to add half a cup of pumpkin seeds, or they're also called pepitas. This is 1/4 of a cup of freshly ground flax seed. And then this is 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. We're going to be using cashews and pecans today. These are really nice fall nuts, and we're just going to chop them up a little bit. You can buy them already chopped, but we're just going to use our mortar and pestle here to just break them up a little bit. We don't want to turn it into a powder. We're just trying to break them up. If you don't have a mortar and pestle and your nuts are whole, you can just put them in a Ziploc bag and then just go over them with a rolling pin a couple times and they'll break up nicely. I like it when there's a variety of sizes in there. So that's going to be perfect. So let's add that, and then we'll do the same thing to our pecans. So that's perfect. Okay, so that is all of our dry ingredients. So we're going to just give that a quick little stir. I'm just going to give it a stir so that I don't end up with, if I dump the honey or the maple syrup on top of the cornmeal or the flax, it could kind of make a ball of cornmeal or flax, and nobody wants that. So let's just stir it in. And then we're going to mix together our wet ingredients. So we're going to have half a cup of canola oil. Canola oil is really nice and neutral. It doesn't impart flavor. If you wanted to, you could use half a cup of coconut oil. Just melt it before you use it. I have here 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree. We're going to add 1/4 of a cup of pure maple syrup. Okay, there's no sugar in this granola at all. Our sweeteners are maple syrup and honey. The maple syrup adds a really nice fall flavor, and the honey is just a little bit more solid, and it's going to give you that nice chewy chunks of granola. So this is 1/3 of a cup of liquid honey. Okay, can you kind of stir that around? What we're going to do is go like this. Ready? Keep it nice and loose and go round, 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 round. Oh, and we don't want to forget our pumpkin pie spice. I almost did. We're going to want 1.5 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. Okay, and then we're going to evenly pour it over top of our dry ingredients. And we'll stir that in. You want to just keep on stirring until everything is evenly coated with the honey mixture.
It's so good after you cook it.
So yummy. Perfect. Okay, so I have a parchment lined baking sheet here, and I'm just going to dump it on here, and then I'm going to spread it out in a nice even layer so that it cooks evenly. I should have said at the beginning that you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So we're just going to spread this out. I don't want to pack it down when I'm spreading it out because I want it to bake in nice and evenly, so I don't want it to be too tight. Are you smelling it?
No.
So we're going to pop that into the oven at 350 degrees. We're going to bake it for 12 minutes. Then we're going to stir it and bake it for another 12 to 15 minutes, or until it's nice and golden brown around the edges, and you can see that it'll be nice and dry on top. So let's pop that in the oven. Okay, so our granola has been in the oven now for about 24-25 minutes. And now let's see if it's done. So you can see that it's nicely golden brown around the edges, and in the middle it looks dry, like it's doesn't have any more of that moisture in it, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So when you make granola, you want to let it cool completely on your pan. I don't touch it at all until it's completely cooled, and that way you end up with nice chunks of granola, and my kids just love that so much. So that's how you make pumpkin granola. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.